We're back. All right. We're doing the example here, exercise 2, try it exercise 2 on page 457. Okay. And it's saying you're borrowing $125,000 at, oh, I looked at the wrong one, 6% for 15 years. All right. 15 years, 6%, 125,000. So 6%, 15 years. All right. We know we're borrowing 125,000. So our principal for zero payment, the balance is 125,000. Okay. So we want to find, if we divide it by 1,000, the units are 125 times the table factor. And that is going to be at 6% for 15 years, 8.44. Okay, so our calculator, which we're going to need here. Okay, so 6%. Nope, let's back up. 125 times 8.44. All right, so our monthly payment is going to be $1,055. Okay. Well, the 0 month we don't have any. So the first month will be 1,055, 1,055, 1,055. We'll go down 3 here. So we need to find the interest. So the interest the first month, again, is I equals PRT. So the interest is going to equal the principal. And so for this first payment is 125,000 times the rate of 6% times a 12th. 1 month. Okay? So 1 divided by 12 times 0.06. Very good. So it's 0.005 times 125,000. Okay. So the interest the first month is $625. Okay. Now notice here, when I multiplied 1/12 times 0.06, okay, that gave me 0.005. Just that number right there. You're going to keep using that number. You're going to keep using 0.005 and multiply it by the principal each time. So I'm just going to write this up here so I don't have to put in 1/12 and 6% each time. Because it's a finite and not repeating, I'll just use that number each time. Okay, so for this time around, the interest is $625. So we'll subtract that from the monthly payment. 1,055 minus 625 is going to equal 430. All right, 430. So we subtract that from the balance from the previous month. All right, so it's going to be 125,000 minus 430 equals $124,570. So we dropped. All right, we dropped it by 430. Okay, so the next month we need to find the interest. Well, it's going to be 0.005 times the principal, because 0.005 is 0.06 times 1/12. So 0.005 times 124,570. 124,570. So the interest is going to be $622.85, which means the principal then is going to be, subtract the interest from 1,055, 622.85, that's going to be $432.15. 432.15. So it went up $2.50. The principal payment went up $2.15. Okay, so then I will subtract that from the balance from last month. That means we paid off $432. So that should be $124,570. Nope, clear. How about 124,570 minus 432.15 should give us 124,137.85. So that's the new principal. 37. Make sure I write that correctly. Okay, so the principal keeps going down. The principal payment gets bigger. Now, since this was a 15-year loan, that's why the principal and interest are a little closer together. If it were a 30, principal is much further apart. You're going to have a lower principal at the beginning. But we're only making 15 times 12, so we're only making, that's half of 360, 180 payments. All right. So just quickly, 1,055 times 180. Out of pocket, we are paying 189,900. All right, minus 125. So we are paying, look at this, people, $177,000. I didn't type that in right, did I? You can look at my calculator. I didn't type it in right. So it's 189900 minus 125,000. We are paying $64,900 in interest in 15 years. All right, so that's a lot of money. Just think about that. A lot of money. Okay. So that's the life of the loan. So the more principal you pay each month, the less interest you'll pay each month. So let's do our last line here. All right, our principal is 124,137.85. Okay, so 0.005. That's our fact times 124,137.85. All right, so $620.69 is our interest. And so we will take the principal, or the payment, right? So 1,055 minus 620.69. So 434.31. All right. And so that should come off the principal. So 124.137, not point. Let's clear 124,137.85 minus my answer. And that should give me $123,703.54. All right. So that's the first 3 payments of a level loan that we have. Each month we determine how much goes towards interest, how much goes towards principal, and how much the principal is reducing after each payment. All right. The next section, section 3, we're going to talk about if you have to pay your taxes and insurance, your PMI, through and your homeowner's insurance through an escrow account. All right, so I'll see you soon.